Today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on me down here. You just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notification settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to notification, click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's my notification disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.